You are going to love the 2018 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, chrome mirror caps, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated steering wheel, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, ventilated front seats, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seats, adjustable pedals, security system, low tire pressure warning. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.